In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add top navigation in Google Sites. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional menu running across the top of your site, making it easier for visitors to find what they need at a glance. First, open your site in Google Sites. From the site's homepage, choose the site you want to edit so you're in the editor, not just a preview. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the editing toolbar and the sidebar with tools like Pages and Themes. Take a moment to glance at your header area so you can see how the navigation will change as you make adjustments. Next, click the Settings gear in the top right of the editor and choose Navigation. This is where Google Sites lets you decide how your menu appears. Select Top Navigation. As soon as you choose this option, your menu will move to a horizontal bar across the top of your site, usually aligned with your logo or site name. This style is great for sites with a few key pages that you want visible at all times. It also keeps the layout tidy and familiar for visitors. On smaller screens, this top bar can condense into a menu icon, but it will still follow the top navigation style you selected. Now, go to the Pages panel to add or reorder pages so your top menu shows exactly what you want. In the left sidebar, click Pages. To add a new page, use the plus button, give the page a clear short title, and click Done. Shorter names help your menu fit neatly across the top without wrapping or crowding. To reorder pages, simply drag and drop them in the Pages list. The order you see here is the left to right order that will appear in your top navigation. If you want drop downs, drag a page slightly under another page to nest it. That creates a submenu in the top bar, which is helpful for grouping related content. Keep submenu levels simple to avoid overwhelming visitors. As you add and rearrange, watch the top bar update instantly in the editor. This immediate feedback helps you fine-tune the sequence, adjust page names, and ensure the most important links appear first. When you're happy with the layout, you're done. You've switched your site to top navigation and organized your pages so visitors can move through your content smoothly. That's all it takes. Open your site, go to Settings and choose Top Navigation, then use the Pages panel to add and reorder pages for a clear, polished menu.